Welcome students, Easy Learning channel. Today we are going to learn Miscellaneous Problem Set 2. Second semester Miscellaneous Problem Set 2. Today's part is the last part, our maths. हा आपला शेवटचा भाग आहे. In the maths book, we learn part number 2, chapter 9 to 15. 9 to 15, 7 chapters we learn. Direct proportion and inverse proportion, banks and simple interest, circle, perimeter and area, Pythagoras theorem, algebraic formulae, expansion of squares and statistics. We learn more examples and practice set in this chapter. Let's study some more examples in this miscellaneous based on some examples in this chapter. Let's learn. Question 1. Angela deposited 15,000 rupees in a bank at a rate of 9 PCPA. She got some simple interest amounting to 5,400 rupees. For how many years she had deposited the amount? याचा अर्थ असा आहे की एंजलने 15,000 रुपये 9 दराने काही वर्षासाठी बँकेत ठेवले. तिला मुदतीअखेर 5,400 रुपये मिळाले. तर तिने किती वर्षांसाठी ती रक्कम ठेवली? लेट्स सॉल्व दिस एक्झाम्पल. फाइंड years Angel deposited the amount. Solution here. Principal 15,000 rupees. Rate 9 PCPA. 9 PCPA. Time is, we find time, and interest is 5,400. Here I write down formula and write value in formula. 5,400. Principal is 15,000 rupees. Rate 9%. We did not know time, so write down T upon 100. 2 zeros cut divided by 100. 5,400 is equal to 1,050 into 9 into T. We taken left side 150 and 9 as divisor. 150 into 9, remaining T right side, divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 56, 54, 9 zeros are 0, 15 4s are 60. Here 4 is equal to T. We find time 4 years. Angel deposited 15,000 rupees for 4 years. Angel had deposited the amount 4 years. म्हणजे एंजलने 15,000 रुपये 4 वर्षासाठी गुंतवले तेव्हा तिला 5,400 रुपये व्याज मिळाला होता. Let's see next example. Question number 2. 10 men take 4 days to complete the task after tearing a road. How many days would 8 men take? म्हणजेच रस्त्याच्या डांबरीकरणाचे काम करण्यासाठी 10 मजुरांना 4 दिवस लागतात, तर 8 मजुरांना किती दिवस लागतील? हे उदाहरण समप्रमाण आणि व्यस्त प्रमाणातले आहे. लेट्स सॉल्व दिस एक्झाम्पल. फाइंड डेज वुड 8 men takes. The example is inverse proportion. Product is constant. म्हणजे हे व्यस्त प्रमाणाचे उदाहरण आहे आणि गुणाकार स्थिर असतो. Number of men and number of days. 10 men take 4 days. So 8 men take x days. Let be x for days. Product is constant, so 10 into 4 is equal to 8 into x. 10 4s are 40 plus is equal to 8x. Here we taken 8 as divisor left side. Remaining x, 8 ones are 8 8 4 5 जा 40. 5 equal to x. So we find answer 8 men will take 5 days to complete work. 10 men take 4 days and 8 men take 5 days. Let's see next example. Nasruddin and Mahesh invested rupees 40,000 and rupees 60,000 respectively. म्हणजे नसरुद्दीन आणि महेश यांनी 40,000 आणि 60,000 गुंतवून एक बिझनेस सुरू केला. They made a profit of 30%. How much profit did each of them make? त्यांना 30% नफा झाला. तो नफा त्यांनी कसा वाटून घ्यावा? Let's solve this example. Find profit of Nasruddin and Mahesh. म्हणजे महेश आणि नसरुद्दीनचे आपण प्रॉफिट काढणार आहोत. First, total investment. Total investment is 40,000 Nasruddin and 60,000 Mahesh. 40,000 plus 60,000 is equal to 1 lakh rupees. Next, total profit. Total profit is 30% of 1 lakh. So 1 lakh into 30 upon 100. 30 upon 100. Let's cut 2 0. 1000 into 300. 30 rupees. 30,000 rupees. Total profit is 30,000 rupees and total investment 1 lakh rupees. The ratio of their investment is, म्हणजे त्यांचं गुंतवणुकीचं प्रमाण काढूया. 40,000 into 60,000. 40,000 upon 60,000. We divided these two numbers. 4 0 cut, then divided by 2. 4 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 as to 3. Ratio is 2 as to 3. Ratio is 2 as to 3. Let's Nasruddin's profit be rupees 2x, then Mahesh profit be rupees 3x. 2x plus 3x is equal to 30,000 rupees. 2 and 3 is 5x is equal to 30,000 rupees. Left side x, we taken right side to 5 as divisor and divided by 5. X is equal to 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30, 0 0 0, 6,000. Here value of x is 6,000. Let's find profit of each other. Nasruddin's profit is 2x. Proportion is 2, so Nasruddin got a profit. 2x is equal to 2 into 6,000 is equal to 12,000 rupees. Then find Mahesh's profit. Mahesh got a profit. Mahesh's proportion is 3. So 3x is equal to 3 into 6,000 rupees, 18,000 rupees. Mahesh got a profit 18,000 rupees. This example is partnership example. So we find two members profit. Answer, they got profit 12,000 and 18,000 rupees. We solve many examples in this chapter. Next question. The diameter of a circle is 5.6 cm. Find its circumference. म्हणजे एका वर्तुळाचा व्यास 5.6 सेंटीमीटर आहे, तर त्या वर्तुळाचा परिघ काढा. Let's solve this example. Let's find the circumference of a circle. Here I draw a circle. AB is the diameter and O is center point. 5.6 centimeters diameter. Here I write formula of circumference. C is equal to pi into d. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 into 5.6 centimeter. C is equal to 22 upon 7 into 56 upon 10. Here I converted into fraction. 7 8s are 56. Multiply by 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16 plus 1 176 upon 10. C is equal to, here I converted into decimal fraction, 17.6 centimeter. Answer: the diameter of a circle is 17.6 centimeter. Next question. Question number 6. Expand. म्हणजे 6वा प्रश्न आहे विस्तार करा. इथं आपल्याला बैजिक सूत्रांचा वापर करायचा आहे. फर्स्ट 2a minus 3b square. Here we use formula number 2. 2a square minus 2 into 2a into 3b plus 3b square. Here 2 square 4. 4a square minus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12ab plus 3 square 9b square. This is expand of these two terms. Next 10 plus y square. We use first formula 10 square plus 2 into 10 into y. 2 into 10 into y plus y square. Here 10 square is 100 and multiply these numbers. 10 2s are 20 y plus y square. This is the expand form of this binomial. Third, p upon 3 plus q upon 4 square. We use first formula p upon 3 in bracket square plus 2 into p upon 3 into q upon 4 plus q upon 4 square. This is fraction. P square upon 3 square 9 and here divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4. P into 2 pq upon 3 2s are 6 plus q square upon 4 square 16. P square upon 9 plus pq upon 6 plus q square upon 16. Fourth number, y minus 3y 3 upon y square. Here we use second number formula. Y square minus 2 into y into 3 upon y minus plus 3 upon y square. Therefore, y square minus, we divided by y to y, 2 into 3. 2 into 3 plus 3 square 9 and y square y square. Y square minus 2 into 3 6 plus 9 upon y square. This is expand form of this binomial. Next question. Question number 6. Use a formula to multiply. म्हणजे सूत्राचा वापर करून गुणाकार करा. First, x minus 5x plus 5. Multiply these two binomials. Use formula number 3. Formula number 3 is first term square minus second term square. First term is x square and second term is 5 square 25. X square minus 25. This is a multiplication of two binomials. Next, 2a minus 13, 2a plus 13. We multiply, use formula number 3. first term square minus second term square. 2 square 4, a square minus 13 square. 13 square is 169. 160. Third, 4z minus 5y, 4z plus 5y. 4z is first term, 4z square minus 5y square. 5y square. 4 square 16 and z square minus 5 square 25 y square. 16z square minus 25 y square. Next, 2t minus 5, 2t plus 5. First term 2t square minus 5 square. Next step, 2 square 4 and t square minus 5 square 25. This is multiplication of these two terms. Next, question number 7. The diameter of a wheel of a cart is 1.05 meter. म्हणजे एका बैलगाडीच्या चाकाचा व्यास 1.05 मीटर आहे. How much distance will the cart cover in 1000 rotation of a distance? म्हणजे बैलगाडीच्या चाकाने 1000 फेऱ्या पूर्ण केल्या तर किती अंतर पार करेल? Diameter is 1.05. First, find the circumference of the wheel. म्हणजे प्रथम आपण चाकाचा परिघ काढूया. C is equal to pi d. Pi's value is 22/7 and d is म्हणजे diameter 1.05. This is decimal fraction. It's convert into fraction. 105/100. 7 divided by 7. 7 15s are 105. Multiply by 15. Answer is 330/100. This is fraction. This fraction convert into decimal fraction. 3.30. C is equal to 3.3 meter. Circumference of a wheel is 3.3 meter. Next, therefore, one rotation covered the distance 3.3 meter. म्हणजे एक फेरी पूर्ण केली की 3.3 मीटर अंतर पार करते. लेट्स फाइंड द डिस्टन्स कवर्ड बाय द व्हील इन 1000 रोटेशन. म्हणजे 1000 फेऱ्यामध्ये किती अंतर पार करेल? डिस्टन्स इज इक्वल टू रोटेशन इंटू सर्कम्फरन्स 1000 इंटू 3.3 मीटर्स. मल्टिप्लाय बाय 1000, 3300 meters. This is meters. We find kilometers distance. Let's convert meter into kilometer. Divided by 1000, 3.3 kilometers. When we divided 1000, we convert meter into kilometer. When 1000 rotation, cart covered 3.3 kilometers. Answer, the cart will cover 3.3 kilometers. Next question. Question number 8. The area of a rectangular garden of length is 40 meter. It's 1000 square meter. Find the breadth of the garden and its perimeter. म्हणजे एका आयताकृती बागेचा क्षेत्रफळ 1000 मीटर, लांबी 40 मीटर आहे. तर परिमिती काढा. The garden is to be enclosed by 3 rounds of fencing. म्हणजे या बागेला 3 पदरी कुंपण घालायचे आहे. Leaving an entrance 4 मीटर. म्हणजे दरवाजाचे 4 मीटर अंतर सोडून. Find the cost of fencing the garden at the rate of 250 rupees per meter. म्हणजे 250 रुपये प्रति दराने किती खर्च येईल? Let's find, we will find breadth of the garden. म्हणजे आपण सुरुवातीला रुंदी काढू. Area of garden is equal to length into breadth. Area is 1000 and length is 40 meters. And we find breadth. Here we taken 40 at left side as divisor, remaining B right side divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 20. 20 is equal to B. We find breadth 20 meters. The garden length is 40 meters and breadth is 25 meters. Second, the perimeter of a rectangular garden, 2 length plus 2 breadth, 2 into 40 plus 2 into 25, 42 is 80 plus 22 is 150. 80 plus 50, 130 meters. Perimeter of rectangular garden is 130 meter. The perimeter of fencing the garden, perimeter minus leaving an entrance, म्हणजे दरवाजापासूनचे अंतर आपल्याला सोडायचे -4 meters. 130 minus 4 meters, 126 meters. We fencing 126 meters. 3 rounds of fencing म्हणजे 3 पदरी कुंपण घालायचं आहे. 3 into 126, 3 6 are 18, 3 2 are 6 plus 1 7, 3 1 are 3. 378 meters. Let's find the cost of fencing 3 rounds. म्हणजे 3 पदरी कुंपण घालण्यासाठीचा खर्च आपण काढूया. Perimeter into rate म्हणजे rate of per meter म्हणजे परिमिती गुणिले प्रति मीटर खर्च किती ते काढायचे. Perimeter 378 into 250. Here we multiply by 250. First we write 0, 25 8s are 200, remaining 20, 20 5 7s are 175, 195, write down 5, remaining 19, 25 3s are 75, 75 plus 19, 94, 94,500 rupees. Here we find cost of fencing is 94,500 rupees. Breadth is 25 meters, perimeter is 130 and the cost of fencing is 94,500 rupees. Next, question number 9. From the given figure, find the length of hypotenuse AC and perimeter triangle of ABC. म्हणजे दिलेल्या मापांवरून कर्ण AC काढा व त्रिकोणाची परिमिती काढा. Triangle ABC is right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, ABC is right angle triangle. Base 21 and height 20. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB 20 and BC 21. 20 square is 400 and 21 square is 441. Add these two numbers. Addition is, sum of these two numbers is 841. 841 is square 29. Square of 29 is 841. So 29 square is 841. AC is equal to 29. Hypotenuse is 29 unit. hypotenuse AC is equal to 29. Next, we find perimeter. The perimeter of a triangle ABC is sum of three sides, length AB plus length BC plus length AC. 20 plus 21 plus 29. Sum of these three numbers is perimeter of triangle ABC. Sum of these three numbers is 70. 70 units. Answer. The length of hypotenuse is 29 unit. AC is 29 unit and the perimeter of triangle ABC is, and the perimeter of triangle ABC is 70 units. In this way we solve this example. Next, question number 10. If the edge of a cube is 8 cm long, find its total surface area. म्हणजे एका घनाची बाजू 8 सेंटीमीटर आहे तर त्याचं पृष्ठफळ काढा. फाइंड द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ क्यूब. चला आपण क्यूबचं पृष्ठफळ काढूया. The total surface area of a cube is equal to 6 into L square. Length is 8 centimeter, 8 square. 6 into, first we find square. 64 is the square of 8. Multiply these two numbers. Multiplication is 384 centimeters square. In this way we find total surface area of a cube is, answer, the total surface area of a cube is 384 centimeter square. Question number 11. Factorize. म्हणजे प्रश्न 11वा अवयव पाडा. 365 4 index of y and 3 index of z minus 146 y square z index 4. Here coefficient 365 and 146 we divided by 5. Answer is 5 into 73. Y's index is 4, so multiply 4 times, and 3 index is 3, so multiply 3 times z. Next, 146, unit place is 6 is even number, so divided by 2. 2 sevens are 14, 2 3s are 6. Y square, so multiply by 2 times, and z index is 4 to multiply 4 times. Here common coefficient is 73. 73 is a common number and y is common, and second number y is common, second y is common. Next z, 3 times common z, z into z into z. Then remaining number in bracket, uncommon number 5 y into y. Uncommon number 5 and y into y square, minus sign, then remaining second 2 into z. Answer common term is 73 y square z cube, and uncommon number write down in bracket y square 5y square minus 2z. In this way, we factorize these two terms and common and uncommon number write down. Next, multiple choice questions म्हणजे बहुपर्यायी प्रश्न. Choose the right answer from the option given for each of the following questions. म्हणजे खालील प्रश्नांची पर्यायी उत्तरे दिली आहेत त्या उत्तरांपैकी योग्य पर्याय निवडा. म्हणजे पुढे प्रश्नात पर्याय दिलेले आहेत ते आपल्याला पर्याय निवडायचे आहेत. पर्याय निवडताना आपल्याला काही ठिकाणी उदाहरणे सोडवावी लागणार आहेत. फर्स्ट, if the average of the number 33, 34, 35, x, 37, 38 and 39. Average is 36. What is the value of x? म्हणजे आपल्याला x ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे. Here given 4 options 40, 32, 42 and 36. What is the value of x? Average is equal to sum of all scores in the given data, the total number of scores. Average is given 36. Sum of all numbers. Here I write down all numbers 33, 34, 35 plus x plus 37 plus 38 plus 39 upon this all numbers is 7. Total number of score is 7. This example is different example. We did not solve this type example. Sum of this sixth number is 216 plus x. We did not know 7 number. What is 7 number? 36 into 7. 7 taken left side as multiplication form. Multiply these two numbers. 252 minus 216 is equal to x. We subtract these two numbers. Answer is 36. 36 is equal to x. Value of x is 36. So, here option number 4. Correct option is 4 number option. 4 number option is correct. Second number example. The difference of 61 square minus 51 square is. Here 4 option given. Which option is correct option? We solve this example. Use expand formula, algebraic formula. Explanation. 61 square minus 51 square. Here we use third number formula. 61 plus 51 into 61 minus 51. 61 and 51, add these two numbers. 112 into 10. 61 minus 51 into 10. 112 into 10, 1120. So, correct option is option number first. Option number 1, 1120. First number option is correct option. Next, last question. If 2600 rupees are divided between Samir and Smita in the proportion 8:5, the share of each is dash dash and dash dash respectively. Here 4 options given. Which option is correct option? We solve this example and find which option is correct option. Let us solve this example. The proportion of Samir and Smita is 8:5. Samir receives 8x and Smita receives 5x. So, 8x plus 5x is equal to 2600 rupees. 8 plus 5, 13x is equal to 2600. 13 taken as divisor form, right side. 26 divided by 13, 13 2s are 26, 0 0, x is equal to 200. How many amount received Samir and Smita? Samir received amount 8x, means 8 into 200, 1600 rupees. And Smita received 5x amount, means 5 into 200 is equal to 1000 rupees. 1000 rupees, 1600 and 1000 rupees. So correct option is 4 number option, rupees 1600 and rupees 1000. So correct option is option number 4. In this way, we solve all examples given miscellaneous problem set 2, chapter number 9 to 15. Student friends, miscellaneous problem set 2 in section 2, chapter 9 to 15 are given for practice. म्हणजेच 9 ते 15 प्रकरणातील प्रश्न या संकीर्णामध्ये दिलेले आहेत. संकीर्ण प्रश्नसंग्रह 2 मध्ये 9 ते 15 या प्रकरणावर आधारित उदाहरणे दिलेली आहेत. त्या सर्व उदाहरणांचा सराव करावा. आपल्याला आजचा हा भाग आपला शेवटचा भाग आहे. Student friends, this part is the last part of mathematics. You have studied the examples in all the practice sets of all the chapter in part number 1 and part number 2 throughout the year. म्हणजे या एका वर्षात विभाग 1 आणि विभाग 2 मध्ये तुम्ही 1 ते 15 प्रकरणांचा अभ्यास केलेला आहे, सराव संच सोडवलेले आहेत. तुम्हाला सर्व उदाहरणे त्यामुळे चांगली समजली असतील असे मला तुम्ही व्हिडिओद्वारे रिप्लाय दिल्यामुळे मला कळत आहे. थँक्स माय डिअर स्टुडंट. थँक यू सो मच. स्टडी व्हेरी वेल मॅथ्स नेक्स्ट इयर टू. धन्यवाद माझ्या मुलांनो. पुढच्या वर्षीसुद्धा तुम्ही खूप छान अभ्यास करा. गणिताचा छान अभ्यास करा. गणित हा आपला मित्र आहे. पुन्हा भेटूया. धन्यवाद. See you again. Thanks my dear students. Thank you so much.